What's up guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today is a very exciting day. I actually woke up a little early and gave the Challenger a really good and well-deserved bath. And today we're going to be putting on my brand new wheels and tires on my 2019 Dodge Challenger SXT. So if you haven't seen my last video, I highly recommend you go check it out. But just to recap, I have purchased new wheels and tires for my Dodge Challenger. For the wheels, I purchased the FR-70’s from Factory Reproductions.com. And for the tires, I went with Cosmo Mucho Macho 275 40/20s. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and put these bad boys on the car. So you will need a few basic tools to do this. Aside from the wheels and tires, you are going to need a jack, and this is a 2-ton floor jack that I purchased. This isn't the nicest and it's not the worst, but it'll definitely get the job done. Now, anytime that you are going to be working on the vehicle and you need to jack it up, you do need to use jack stands. So these are 3-ton aluminum racing jack stands that I purchased from Harbor Freight. It was a pretty good price, and you do get 2 jack stands in the box. So you're going to need a breaker bar to loosen the lug nuts that are already on the vehicle. And so I went with a 1/4-inch drive breaker bar with an extension that is also a 1/4-inch drive. So you're going to need a torque wrench, that way you can tighten the lug nuts whenever you put the wheels on. And you always want to use a torque wrench whenever you're tightening bolts, because every bolt on your vehicle does have a specified torque setting, and it's always just better safe than sorry. Last but not least, you are going to need a wheel socket. This is a 22mm socket. Everything that I'm showing you guys in the video will be listed in the description down below. So I'm super excited to get these on the vehicle, so enough talking, let's go ahead and get them on. Start off by using the breaker bar to break the lug nuts loose. Next, use your floor jack to raise the vehicle. Once the vehicle is fully raised, always remember to use a jack stand to support the weight of the vehicle. Now go ahead and remove the lug nuts holding on your current wheel and tire. Now carefully remove the current wheel and tire from the vehicle. Next, carefully slide your new wheel and tire onto the wheel studs and hand tighten the lug nuts utilizing the star pattern. You want to use the star pattern so that way the wheel will be flush when the lug nuts are torqued. Gently lower the vehicle. Use your torque wrench and torque each bolt utilizing the star pattern to 110 pound-feet or 149.2 Newton meters. Be sure to keep your torque wrench handy because you'll have to retorque each lug nut after about 100 miles of driving. Alright guys, so that wheel is installed. Real easy process, and man, this looks so good. The 275s. They look really good. So now it's time to do that one and then the other side.
Pretty angel in my bed, why are you so drawn to danger? You know I'm no good for you.
Well guys, we finally got the wheels and tires on the Challenger. Look at that, look how good that looks. I think the satin black goes really well with the black paint. And when you go on Factory Reproductions website and you go to look at these wheels, you can get it in a variety of finishes. They have chrome, you can get it in gloss black, satin black, matte black. You can also get it in bronze, but I don't know, I just think the satin black looks so freaking good with the paint. And those tires, those are the Cosmo Mucho Macho tires. They are high performance all season tires, and I went with 275 40/20s, and I think it looks freaking good. I love the fitment of these things. I was debating for a short time going with the 10.5 wheel and putting like 305s and maybe 315s, but I think the poke with the 275s is just perfect. So I'm gonna leave links for everything that I used in this video in the video description down below. Again, these are the FR-70's from Factory Reproductions. They are 20 by 9.5 with a plus 15 offset, wrapped with the Cosmo Mucho Macho tires, 275 40/20s. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of these wheels. If you aren't already, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links for all those will be in the description down below. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.